welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about 5 Stoic principles that can change your perspective on money and investments. Do you want to know how ancient philosophers can help you get rich in the modern world of cryptocurrencies? Then stay with us until the end of this video because you're in for some amazing discoveries and useful tips that could transform your financial life. Imagine investing with confidence and calm without succumbing to panic and stress. You know your decisions are based on wisdom that has stood the test of time. Intrigued? Then let's embark on our journey into the world of Stoicism and investments. Before we dive into the principles of Stoicism, let's briefly discuss what Stoicism is. This philosophy originated in ancient Greece and Rome and is based on the idea that we can control our emotions and reactions to external events, even if we can't control the events themselves. Stoics believe that happiness and peace can be found by living in accordance with virtue and reason. The first principle we will examine is self-control. Stoics believe that the only thing we can truly control is our thoughts and actions. Imagine you are investing in cryptocurrencies and facing sharp market fluctuations. Instead of panicking and selling at a loss, you remain calm and analyze the situation rationally. This will allow you to make more balanced decisions and avoid emotional mistakes. Let's consider an example. You have invested money in Bitcoin, and its price suddenly drops. Instead of immediately selling your assets, the Stoic approach suggests that you assess the reasons for the drop and the prospects for recovery. It may be a temporary correction, and the price could rise again after some time. Controlling your emotions helps you avoid panic and hasty decisions. The second principle is acceptance of the inevitable. Stoics teach us to accept the things we cannot change and focus on what is within our power. In the world of cryptocurrencies, as in life, there are many unpredictable factors: news, regulatory changes, market trends. By accepting this, you can focus on creating a long-term strategy rather than trying to predict every market move. Imagine you have invested in a new cryptocurrency, and the government unexpectedly announces new regulations that negatively impact the market. Instead of getting upset and trying to fight it, the Stoic approach helps you accept it as a given and adapt to the new conditions. You may need to revise your strategy, but the main thing is you don't lose your composure. The third principle is self-discipline. Stoics believe that success in any area requires discipline and self-control. This is especially important in investments. It's easy to succumb to emotions and start buying or selling assets based on short-term fluctuations. However, if you follow a disciplined approach and stick to your strategy, you are more likely to achieve long-term success. Let's consider an example. You decide to invest in cryptocurrency and set specific rules for yourself, such as not investing more than 10% of your capital in one asset and not making decisions under the influence of emotions. By adhering to these rules, you can avoid impulsive actions that often lead to losses. The fourth principle is reflection and self-improvement. Stoics regularly practiced reflection and analysis of their actions to learn from their mistakes and become better. In investments, this means continuous learning and analysis of your successes and failures. The more you learn about the market and your reactions to its changes, the more conscious your decisions will be. Example: at the end of each quarter, you conduct an analysis of your investments, evaluating what worked well and what didn't. This helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses, improve your strategy, and avoid repeating mistakes in the future. The fifth and final principle is humility and realism. Stoics teach us to be realistic and humble in our expectations. In the world of investments, this means realizing that there are no guaranteed paths to wealth and that all investments carry risks. This helps you remain clear-headed and not fall for illusions of quick and easy profits. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. Next in the video, you will learn how to apply these principles in practice to become a successful investor in the world of cryptocurrencies. Let's consider an example. You hear about the latest hot meme coin that promises multiple returns in a short time. Instead of investing all your funds in it, The Stoic approach suggests that you assess the risks and understand that such investments can be very volatile and unpredictable. Humility and realism help you not get caught up in the hype and make more balanced decisions. Second, create your Stoic investment plan. Determine how much you are willing to invest, which assets interest you, and what rules you will follow. For example, decide that you will only invest money that you are prepared to lose and that you won't make decisions under the influence of emotions. Third, regularly practice reflection and analysis. Keep a journal of your investments, recording your thoughts and decisions. This will help you better understand your reactions to market changes and learn from your mistakes. Fourth, develop emotional resilience. Practice meditation, engage in physical exercise, and find time to relax. This will help you maintain calm and mental clarity in stressful situations. Finally, stay realistic and humble. Remember that investing is a long-term process, and success requires time and patience. Don't fall for illusions of quick earnings, and remember that every step should be thoughtful and balanced. Applying these principles in practice will help you become a more conscious and successful investor. Stoic philosophy will not only help you make more rational decisions, but also make you more resilient to market fluctuations and stress. In conclusion, let's summarize. We've discussed 5 key Stoic principles: self-control, acceptance of the inevitable, self-discipline, reflection, and self-improvement, humility, and realism. Each of these principles can be applied to your investment approach to help you achieve financial success. I hope this video was useful and inspiring for you. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. In the comments, share your thoughts and experiences of applying Stoic philosophy to investments. And of course, don't miss our next video. If we get 500 likes, I will share how to create a Stoic cryptocurrency investment portfolio with a balance of risk and stability to become successful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on our channel.